Hello and welcome back to 𝗶𝗶𝗺𝗋𝗋. Today we're diving into the world of website hosting, a crucial aspect for any business. Enter Cloudways, a managed cloud hosting platform that streamlines the process, allowing you to focus on growing your business. Their user-friendly interface makes launching and managing your website a breeze, even for non-technical users. But Cloudways offers more than just ease of use. They partner with top-tier cloud providers to deliver exceptional performance. Imagine your website loading in seconds, no matter the traffic volume. That's the Cloudways advantage, keeping your visitors engaged and satisfied. Cloudways' onboarding process is quick and efficient. With just a few clicks, you can select your cloud provider, server size, and application. They even offer a mobile app for easy website management on the go. Whether you're a small startup or a well-established brand, Cloudways allows you to concentrate on growing your business while they handle the technical complexities, ensuring your website remains reliable and high-performing. Ready to experience the Cloudways difference? Visit the link in the description below to explore their plans and start your free trial today. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insightful content. Thank you for watching.